But about a year ago, when COVID started, I really started to ask a lot of questions about my life and wanted to know why certain things happened in my life. There was really no answers that I could find until one day I saw a video on YouTube which discussed about Vedic birth charts and led me to go and find mine. And it was a switch that went off that made me more curious. The more answers that I found, very surface level answers actually, made me dig even more and more and more deeper. And next thing I knew, I was spending every moment I had searching for answers in Vedic astrology, planets, and how they affect you in your life, and finding nakshatras and how they affect you in life. And one day, in search for what Ashtak Virga was, I ran into Guruji's video that he had uploaded from a class that he taught regarding this subject. And I simply loved the way he taught and signed up for his course and had my chart read from him. And the things that he said in my life, the questions that he answered were so precise. And it was just, I was in awe of, really getting concrete answers and understanding how destiny plays such a big part in your life, and how little you control, and at the same time how much you control. So it's a very deep subject. I am totally enamored by the possibilities of this knowledge, and I am totally engrossed in it every day, and I cannot wait to learn more. And it's weird, I look forward to every single class. I look forward to really learning everything. I feel like it's never enough. It's an ocean, and I think I have drank a drop of it, and I'm looking forward to it. Never been so excited about learning something, never been so intrigued, never been so appreciative of a teacher, of a guru, that Navneet sir has been, and has certainly answered a lot of questions in my life. And I hope someday I can share the knowledge to someone else that may take this knowledge and help themselves and make a difference in the world. Thank you.